Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by organizing the inputs so updates flow through the dashboard automatically. Convert each dataset into an Excel table so formulas and charts adjust as rows are added. Once done, standardize dates and categories to avoid mismatches. Inconsistent labels break slicers and calculations. Make sure to keep raw data on a separate sheet and add helper columns for normalized values. This lets you build measures and avoid altering source rows while you design the dashboard. Now you transform clean tables into insights. Use Power Query to shape data and pivot tables or data model measures to compute KPIs like growth percent, averages, and running totals. Once measures exist, link them to charts and use slicers or timeline controls for interactivity. Arrange visuals for a clear reading order, top left for overall KPIs, then trends, then breakdowns. Make sure chart types match the metric. For example, use lines for trends and bars for categorical comparisons, so viewers interpret results instantly. Finish by wiring interactivity and locking down the experience. Connect slicers and timelines to multiple pivot tables or report elements so filters cascade. Use named ranges for form controls. Once done, tidy formatting, apply consistent color semantics, and set workbook calculation to automatic, but test with large datasets to confirm responsiveness. Make sure to save a read-only copy for stakeholders and include brief instructions on refresh steps. Troubleshooting tip: if numbers mismatch, verify table relationships and refresh Power Query before changing formulas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.